préfixes et les verbes, okay? So, and in this video, we'll concentrate on the verb passer. And here you have the translation in English. Okay, so the idea is that we've got this verb passer, and then it will be possible to add some letters, so that's what we call prefix, in front of passer, and by adding these letters, well, we'll change the meaning, the original meaning of the verb passer. Okay, so let's see how it goes. So the first thing, if we add this de, okay, we will get the verb dépasser, dépasser, and here you have the meaning in English. Okay, well, then we could add this re in front of passer, so we get this repasser, and then here is the meaning in English, repasser. Okay, and it's also possible to add sur, okay, surpasser, surpasser, and here is the meaning in English.